Yo, what is up YouTube? Today we're actually unboxing the DJI Mic Mini 2. Now I think this is a fantastic option. By the way, this is my first video on this channel. So welcome everybody. This is my personal space for talking about different things, camera, microphone, gear, videos, vlogs, whatever comes to my mind, right? And I fumbled on the first recording. It doesn't matter. We're gonna have fun on this channel, and you know what? DJI Mic Mini 2 is one of the best options available on the market right now without breaking your bank. I mean, it kind of does break the bank if you're starting out, but for somebody who's established just a little bit, who has a steady income source, either from YouTube or from their day job, it doesn't matter. This mic is gonna last you for a really long time, and it's gonna be a fantastic recording option for busy streets, for busy environments, for room recordings, rooms with echo. Like my room right now is full of echo, but that doesn't matter because this DJI Mic Mini 2 is performing fantastic, and I hope you guys love the video. So without wasting further time, let's dive right in.
Say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe, tell me what it is, cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin.
Okay, so this is the final recording. This is me recording with a little bit of compression in OBS enabled with the DJI Mic Mini 2. I've added a compressor, a limiter, and a little bit of gain adjustment to make it sound like how I needed it to sound like. I have not yet added any sort of equalizer because, I mean, I tend to do it for my other channel with Linux videos, but I didn't really do that. I don't feel like this needs a lot of those adjustments. It does sound pretty good, and you also get 3 different modes. You get the warm mode, the normal mode, and the clarity mode, where it boosts your treble or the high frequencies in your voice. But with this, I think it actually is doing a pretty good job, and this could be the one that I end up using a lot of time because this would enable me to do vlogs and other things. And I think with that, we can comfortably come to the end of the video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This was my first video on this channel. Welcome to me on YouTube. Again, for this channel, I do have other channels as well, but this is me, this is my space, and I say sayonara.